What defines life? Is it the first heartbeat, the first breath, or perhaps something even earlier? A recent landmark ruling by the Alabama Supreme Court has sparked a nationwide debate on this very question. In a case that involved 3 families and a medical center, the Alabama Supreme Court has ruled that frozen fertilized embryos are indeed considered children under state law. The families in question had undergone in vitro fertilization treatments, resulting in the births of children, with remaining embryos stored in a cryogenic nursery. But when a patient later accessed the nursery, causing the embryos to be damaged, the families took legal action. They filed a lawsuit under Alabama's Wrongful Death of a Minor Act, a move that was initially dismissed but later overturned by the Supreme Court. In a ruling that has sent shockwaves across the country, the court declared these frozen fertilized embryos to be children, granting them the same rights and protections under the law. But this decision is more than just a legal victory for the families involved. It has far-reaching implications that could reshape the landscape of reproductive rights and medical practices. Critics, including civil rights and medical organizations, have voiced their concerns, warning of the potential effects this ruling could have on women's autonomy and the practice of in vitro fertilization. The question of when life begins is not a new one. It has been debated by philosophers, theologians, and scientists for centuries. But this ruling brings a new dimension to the discussion, raising questions about the legal status of embryos, the rights of parents, and the ethics of reproductive technology. In summary, the Alabama Supreme Court has ruled that under state law, frozen fertilized embryos are considered children. The families who had their embryos damaged sued under Alabama's Wrongful Death of a Minor Act, and the Supreme Court overturned the initial dismissal, siding with the families. Critics have voiced concerns about the potential implications this ruling could have on reproductive rights and medical practices. As this debate continues to unfold, it serves as a stark reminder of the complex, ever-evolving intersection of law, science, and ethics. It also underscores the importance of continuing to ask and explore challenging questions, like what indeed defines life. Voiceover. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, we encourage you to hit the like button. Your support helps us produce more content like this. Consider sharing this video to spread awareness about this complex issue and stimulate conversations on the intersection of law, science, and ethics. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos on similar topics. Thank you for your support. Stay tuned for more thought-provoking content.